what we're trying to figure out right now is who we can trust to play in that first game, right? Who can we trust to play in that first game? So again, we've got to take advantage of our opportunities, right? Okay. And again, you know, we're working against our defense, right?
Break at 5 in fact, you were the first read on that. Y'all understand that?
You get a flat call, shoot, you got to come flat, right? You got to get your hat in there. You got him by yourself.
All right, listen, we're going 7-on-7 2 spot. We're going to be with scouts right now.
We got one team period. That should be real easy for us. We should dominate that last team period. We should have at least about 2 or 3 more explosive runs, all right, before the day is over. Let's get a break.
Kill shit on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Kill shit.
Straight linebacker, no running back, no tight end. Maybe goal line fullback.
Hey, throw that bitch.
Damn. You dropped that money.
Hold it up, JD.
On national television.
Shit, I'm getting it.
I'd rather drop it here than on Saturday.
Fuck that, I ain't gonna drop that.
Good, work
don't drop it at all.
Push
You right.
yourself, 4-4. You straight-legged. You straight-legged.
Hey, can we get the card?
You next, JD.
That's missed tackle. Quarterback.
Hey, Davey. You up next to get your swing. You gotta go. You gotta go to the boys. Shoot here. No. You. Okay, on time, hey, don't give up your reps, dog. Push. All right. Or if you don't want to push, wait on him to get to you and reroute him inside out. Okay? But what coach is saying is, whenever you have stacks and shit like they gave you, they'll reroute it themselves. What do you have to do?
You just gotta get to your spot.
Get to your spot.
The numbers.
You feel me? Line up at 5. That's a healthy depth. Okay? That was a great job. I like being at 5 because now it clears everything up. I like Deep. That was fucking perfect. You reroute it inside out with your eyes on one. One ran a hitch. So what do you have to do?
Stop with it.
Push to it, right?
Push to it, get under it.
Good. You good on? Now good reroute, but when you reroute, perfect. You feel me? You can be perfect, but you spin it. All right? Slow this shit down. Y'all good? Yeah. Now, that was a good job subbing on and off the field, 44-33. Y'all come on, all right? Your brothers need you. All right, somebody break it down. Hey, any questions? Any questions about anything? All right, 5-5, your time coming. 4-4, you good? You got into it late. You was a fish out of water, now you into it. You're back to your old ways. Keep it up, 4-4.
Keep going, y'all. Just keep it up. Keep attacking. It is what it is. Fuck it, it's hot. It is what it is. But just keep going. Dogs 1, 2. 1, 2.
No. Good.
Where we at?
We are.
Who that, bitch?
Why you be hating on me? You hating on me, bitch. You bitch.
Never been a hater.
Always been.
Don't hate, don't let me wake up, bitch. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean by that?
Damn, bro. 245.
All that beat inside your throat.
They call me Busy B.
Sunset High. You know what I'm saying? You know all that different, dog. You in the training room, dog.
Hey, whoa, Cole. How you feel?
I got to show him, I got a little limp with me. I ain't from around these parts, man. A little something. That ain't it, though. That ain't what I be doing. Dallas, Texas. That ain't what I be doing, Gant. He trying to play on the player. So I got my little, you know, you see that? See when it's, when they do that right there? That's that glide right there. Right here? Glide. See that?
Gotta catch the rhythm.
Huh? Gotta catch the rhythm now. Now when I put my beat on, I got my background music going, it's gonna all come together. It's gonna all come together.
Hey, Coach, you were about a size 10 head, ain't you?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Oh, I got the biggest heads you seen around here. That's right. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Hey, tell you what, I know when I go to the hat store, I just pull out the front ones, I'll go straight to the back. Get the one at the back, that's the biggest hat. Everybody else be searching through theirs, I know exactly where to go. In my hat, I'll be good.
I want to get the move and I want to get the hold. 10 to 15, you gotta go.
20? No, we just want you to occupy coverage. QB's gonna read it inside out.
Stay with it and block them. Okay? It's that simple. Okay? We cannot go in there and just waylay the guy, right? Okay? You can't do that, right? You know that's a crack. From outside in, that's a crack, okay? We just have to shield him. Okay, you with me? Shield him. And again, win with your feet, not your hands. You don't get your feet in the right place, right? You're reaching and grabbing, right, guys? Okay?
All right, try to make sense. You know, we still gonna stick with the same principles as far as sending protection one way, you're working the other way. Protection.
I'll tell you what I don't do. You know who that is, man? Yeah, Michael Irvin. This is what you do. I don't miss. I'm a pitcher. That's what you do. That's my thing. We're ready for you, whatever. You know what we're going to do. I know.
Time.
Yeah. That's his mentality. You want to kick off and go down there. Hey. How smart is that? Orange up! Like you ready? Bless him on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bless him. Thank you, Coach.
He's back, baby. He's back, baby.
It's time.
It's time.
Come back, and I get boom.
Let's get this shit started. All right, let's go. We started. Let's go. Hey, inside the band. Band on the upper back. Band on the upper back. Band on the upper back.
Kendall, stop me. Okay, Kendall. Okay, Kendall.
I know, that's why you doing this, goof. Stretch it, reach for the toes, stretch the hamstring. We're going for 3 more. I'll tell you when to stop.
Yeah, go all the way down to the left. There you go. There you go. Keep pulling up on the band. Go, slight tilt outside. Slight tilt outside.
Rule number 1, never count your homie's pockets thinking you deserve it. All right. I'm the rules of the day. I'm my word of the day.
Okay, man.
Bro, it's okay, bro. Okay. You got something like that, bro? It's cool.
Okay. No, I just
Don't mind it, bro.
That's why Kendall beat you.
I grabbed it. I tried. I haven't, but my cleats.